Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn about jumping statements. The concept of jumping statement in C++ is to change the direction of execution flow according to the specific condition or to terminate or continue looping process up to some condition satisfied. Statements are used in C++ for unconditional flow of control throughout the function in program. So at some point when we feel that a program needs to redirect to the previous or to the next line, then we will use these jumping statements. There are 4 types of jumping statement: break, continue, go to and return. First we will learn about break statement. This loop control statement is used to terminate the loop. When the break statement is encountered, the loop iteration stops and the control is transferred to the immediate next statement after loop. So this is used to break the iteration and go to the next line. For the break statement, we will use the syntax or the keyword break and then semicolon. So this statement will break the iteration and go to the next line. The second statement is continue statement. This statement is same as break statement, but the difference is that instead of terminating the loop, it focuses to skip the current iteration and execute the next one. Continue statement will skip the particular iteration on which the condition is given and then will execute the rest of them. For example, if I am printing number from 1 to 10. Now if I want to skip the 5th number, I do not want to print the 5 number in the output, then I will give a condition in if such a way that when 5 number comes into the variable n, at that time it will continue. This continue statement will be executed. So it will skip that iteration and will go to the 6th one. Then rest numbers I want to print. So we will see an example and we will understand it. Now the third one over here is go to statement. This go to statement in C++ is used to jump from one point to another within a function. For example, if I have written 10-line program, I want to go back to the 5th line. After executing some lines, I want to go back again to the 5th line. Then I will write go to and line number. It will redirect me to the 5th line. So, and in the syntax we have written go to. So you have to use go to and line number. The fourth one is return statement. This return statement in C++ returns the flow of execution of the function from where it is called. So suppose there are two functions, like we have void main and some other function, user made function. Now I want to I have sent the data to that return function and I want to get the data back. I will use return statement. This statement does not need any conditional statements. So to write this, there is no need to write any condition for it. We will see a small example for each of them and then we will understand it. This is an example of switch where we had used a break statement. So here what happens is, when the choice is fed into this switch, it will search for that choice. Suppose I have entered 2, then it will print this statement, that is okay. Then here we have written break. So what will happen, after executing this cout, it will come out of this curly bracket and will execute the statement which is outside this switch bracket or switch block. So this is an example for break. Now the next example is for continue, that I have used in this for loop. Here I have given a condition of if I, means value of I, is equal to 5, then we will execute this continue. For if statement I have not used the curly bracket. So in C++, if we want to use just one statement in if selection statement, then there is no need to write a curly bracket. The program will automatically understand that immediate next statement which is written below if would be the part of this if statement. So no need of curly bracket. it is already a part of this if. If more than one statement is to be written, then curly brackets are necessary. So here we have not used it, so just simply continue we have written with a semicolon. It is a keyword, so it came in a white color. Then we have written cout. I have printed the value of I and /n for the new line. Let us run the program. I have already compiled it, so run. Okay, so here in the output, as you can see, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5, for the 5 we have given the continue, that's why it is been skipped off. Then 6, 7, 8 and 9. So this was an example. So today we end our session over here. Today we learned about 4 jumping statements. Those are break, continue, go to and return. Go to and return examples we will see later on. In the next video we will see about the functions, inbuilt functions and user defined functions. Thank you students for watching my video. Please do like, share and comment on my video, and do subscribe my channel to get the new update. Thank you.